Boom shakalaka, two incredible charts you need to see for Bitcoin and for altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including, if you hang around to the very end, two incredible charts that may blow your mind like they did mine. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and subscribe to the coolest channel in anything that's ever existed on the whole face of the universe, ever. Not even an exaggeration. Now, today, Fear and Greed Index, 69. How about that? We've been waiting forever. It happened. Fear and Greed Index. My favorite number, 69. Just in case you want to know the number in every single password that I have. It's 69. Actually, my password for everything is just 69. Now, the overall market sideways today. Bitcoin at 63,683, Ethereum at 3144, BNB at 586, Solana 145, XRP 52 cents, Dogecoin 16 cents, Toncoin 575, and Cardano 45 cents. Now, Bitcoin, check this out. You know, people started to panic when Bitcoin broke below the 100-day moving average and also fell outside of this bull flag. But it looks like things may be turning around. You see, right now, Bitcoin is testing this blue line, the 21 SMA. Now, anytime, especially in a bull market, when Bitcoin's below the 21 SMA, yeah, it's an amazing buy opportunity. And looks like people had about 2 weeks of amazing buy opportunities, maybe even 3 weeks there. But the last time that Bitcoin price was below this blue line, that 21 SMA right here, and then broke above, look at what it did. Boom. That's actually also the target for the bull flag continuation, right around $110,000. Could we see that as early as this is predicting by June 21st? Quite possible. There's no saying. As a matter of fact, you definitely want to stick around towards the end because these charts are going to, I don't know, knock your socks off if you're wearing socks, or if you're not wearing socks, it might just blow your underpants off. Whatever happens. Now, right now, Bitcoin Advanced NVT signal is now at the bottom again. You can see this down here. Short-term indicator to show local tops and bottoms. When it hits the top, generally that's a local top. When it hits the bottom, generally a local bottom. Looks like we are once again at a local bottom. Bitcoin just got rejected from the mid top on that Advanced NVT signal. And looking at where we are temporarily, hold here, and the next term short target is $66,000. However, on the downside could be $57,000. But there's evidence in one of the charts that I have somewhere that we may not be seeing this $57,000 ever again. You definitely want to stay tuned for that. Now, right now, it looks like DXY is getting rejected with a double top here. Same thing that happened way back here in October of 2023. It double topped, it dumped, Bitcoin price pumped. Well, same formation could be happening once again. Bitcoin inversely correlated to DXY could be going up as DXY goes down. And this just is a reminder to zoom out, because if we take a look at the 3-month super trend, the 1-month super trend, 3 months ago it flashed a buy signal. And now on average, it takes 19 months for Bitcoin to find a new top. Right now, we're only 3 months in there. So there's still, on average, a lot of months before Bitcoin finds that new top. Here's the one we were talking about, why we'll never see $56,000 ever again. It turns out that Bitcoin lows at halving cycle candles create a new cycle bottom. If we take a look at this, these vertical lines here are the halvings. Each time the low of that candle is the cycle bottom, Bitcoin price never touches that level ever again. And guess what? That was at $56,000, which to me means Bitcoin will never see $56,000 ever again. Could be wrong. But Bitcoin expansion follows global liquidity cycle inflection. As you can see, its compression here up top. We can see global liquidity signal here and also the vortex down here. Now, we do have a start indicator, but we have not yet come to the end indicator, meaning there's a lot further to run for this. Just a short reminder for all the bears out there. After Bitcoin breaks out of this slow ascending trend, finds support on there, and then takes off for an absolute tear. Look at where we are right now. Does this look similar? Yeah, it certainly could. Also, this one looking similar as well. Bitcoin has these nice cup formations after breaking out of the cup, generally all up territory. And that looks about where things are, and based on sentiment, maybe I might guess there too. Now, altcoins, turns out they found perfect support for a nice, healthy rally. The altcoin market cap currently at the RSI levels that initiate explosive rallies. Interestingly, it was at this level in 2016 and also 2020, and both times a huge rally followed for altcoins. Act like you've seen this before, because you have. We have 2016 right here. We have 2020 right here, where a breakout of the cup, find support, and then take off could be likely happening very soon for altcoins. But for those of you who might have a longer time frame for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrencies, other than just like a week or a day, check this out. Right now, Bitcoin is at 4.7% world adoption. This is the same as January 1999 for internet adoption. You're still very early, and that's backed by the best data available. Now, in case this means nothing to you, just go on Google and search Amazon website 1999 and look at what the internet looked like in 1999. Compared it with Pornhub and TikTok and all the stuff you mindlessly spend all your time on. I mean, except for this channel, because this is clearly a valuable investment in your time. But everything else you waste your time on, totally. Now just go back and look and consider what's to come, because right now, very low adoption. But look at the curve, very similar to this. And then what happens after that? Oof, things go off dramatically for the next 10 to 20 years. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin undeniably follows a power law with an R2 of 97%. Now, Bitcoin has followed a power law for 9 orders of magnitude. The probability of that happening by chance is so close to zero that it's ridiculous to begin explaining why that could happen to be random. A trained eye will recognize a pattern in a few seconds if presented with the right evidence, a straight line on a log-log graph over several orders of magnitude. You can see right here, Bitcoin, when we have log time and log price, straight line. In fact, Bitcoin's relationship with the power law is so strong that even hard to compare it with naturally occurring phenomena. Bitcoin being a real power also means it's a scale invariant. In the case of Bitcoin price, hash rate and addresses are all power laws of each other and of time. Now, Bitcoin's price is going up with the power of time to the 6. So you will ask, what will Bitcoin price be in X years? Well, here's we go. If you double the time Bitcoin has been in existence, so another 15 years, we'll have 2 to the 6 or 64. So 64 times the price now. That would put Bitcoin at close to $4 million per coin in 15 years. That's probably one of the best investments you could look at. And it's not unreasonable. Now, it may not be $15 million or $4 million this year, but in 15 years, good luck. Put money in a bank and see what it is. It'll be the same exact or less, depending upon if you're in like Japan or Germany or one of those places where they have negative interest rates. So, these two things combined, holy cow, time to get pretty darn bullish, because for Bitcoin, for altcoins, things are about to explode. But that's all for this video. And if you did enjoy it, like the video, come join us on Twitter, subscribe. It's the coolest channel ever, because I said so. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.